We are currently here at Camp Pwestuhan. Camp Pwestuhan in Negros Occidental. See, it's a Saturday and it's a holiday, so crowd is really that much. You have a thick crowd. It's a weekend Saturday, so expect that the people here are chilling. They have rides, they have kiddie pools, and many more. They have bubble emitting stations, just like that one. That's a bubble emitting station. It's near a mountain, so it's expect a little bit of a baggy feel, but not that cold. And yeah, I really have no idea how much this is. The cottage we rented, but it's far away from Bacolod City. I think it's around 18 to 19 kilometers, and it's uphill. You see, it's hilly. So this is Camp Pwestuhan. Well, if you rate it out of 10, rate it out of, I think, around 6. You got grill on your own cottage. They have a common grill station. And it was hard for us. There was no running water here. You see that? That's not running, so we have to fetch some water somewhere. And I really can't, I still haven't figured out where is the comfort room. And yeah, we have to figure it out. I'm still gonna tour on this one, so just come to go to the place if you want to chill, but not on weekends, because I expect there's a lot of people here on the weekends, especially kids and families from nearby towns of Negros Occidental.